Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to send newsletter in Shopify. So in order to do this, just go to marketing, and now here you can see there are multiple options available. Just click on create campaign. Now after that, here click on Shopify email. Just you have to select this option, and after that move to next section, and now wait for few seconds. So you can send newsletter through email campaign. So just you can see our email campaign is being uploaded, and now here you can see we have successfully opened this, and now click on this button. So in order to send the newsletter, this is very important that you have to buy a plan or premium package of Shopify. Without premium package or plan, you cannot send newsletter to any person. So in my case, I don't have subscribed any package, so in this case I cannot send newsletter, but you can easily send newsletter through this way.